This is the 2022 Trike Freewheeler FLRT in red and black with pinstripe. Of course, it's got the Milwaukee-Eight 114 6-speed gearbox, electric reverse. They really haven't changed much from last year, I believe. Just the colors. Why mess with it given a great formula? Also comes in black. And there's one other color. I'm not sure what it is this year. Now, these freewheelers get more and more popular every year. Of course, it's a factory trike. Harley-Davidson is one of the only manufacturers that makes factory trikes, so it comes with a warranty and everything. A lot of fun to ride.